how to get QR code for UK immigration ID check app. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get QR code for UK immigration ID check app. So let's get started. First, you gotta go to the official UK government website at government.uk and begin your visa or immigration application. Fill out your personal information, upload the required documents, and select the visa type you're applying for. As you progress through the application, you will eventually reach the stage where you need to prove your identity. At that point, select the option that says you want to use the UK Immigration ID Check app. This app allows you to confirm your identity directly from your smartphone, saving you a trip to the visa application center. It's available for both iOS and Android, so you can download it from App Store or Google Play Store. Once you choose the app option, the system will generate a unique QR code. This code will appear on your screen and it's the key to linking your application with the mobile app. To use it, open the UK Immigration ID Check app on your phone. Scan the QR code using the app's camera option, and your phone will be securely connected to your online application. If you close the page by mistake before scanning the code, don't panic, simply log back into your online visa application, go to the identity verification section, and the QR code will be displayed again. It remains valid until your identity check is completed. After you scan the QR code, the app will guide you step by step, scanning your passport, capturing a selfie, and verifying your details. If your passport is biometric, make sure your phone has NFC support to complete the process smoothly. And that's it, you have now received and used your QR code for the UK Immigration ID Check app. So that's the end of today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.